day Tanganji, he no say be strong man, he get all information, police go give all the necessary information we want get up. He no say come to no go be candidate, this and that. He don't try own best. He don't infiltrate party them. He no say okay, we go block you so because you know we go for election for 2020, you know get parliamentarian them, you know get council of them. It will be very impossible for you to go, and even forget that signature, that 300 signature them. It will be very, very impossible because Manfi still go for presidential election. We get 300 signatures and for councilors them and parliamentarian them, mayor them. Now they be know at Tangaji and CPDM people say it will be very difficult. Now they don't go present Pobia candidate where Pobia no they make campaign for Pobia where they need see Pobia. Them say man want be president, but he be incapable for come talk for before people them. Cameroon they go for back so now because of this kind of people them. Okay, countryman, he don't try. He try best. He make a so. The thing waka. He try again, you know waka. He try the way we try him, you know waka. Now that and he say can they don't create their group for Douala. That group for Douala, they will not say they want present candidate, and then they very serious about attacking Maurice Kamto. So at Tangaji, you don't know say that one, you know, they possible how we Elimilo Bedidi and the Abai, you know, he did it too, he support, and then all the position he go strong for that people them, they go surely present at their own candidate, and then man then go present candidate. Neither and he say kane in a Sambaka, which Abai, you know, they don't make papa. They dribble and go so, and then papa. As the naka so, what's happen, countryman. Now money them now, he talk say, Maurice come to go be their candidate for presidential election for October, the 12th of October. Now that, Atango, in a man them, in a people them, they don't should also, don't pass them. Vekes. Now what I say, he don't vekes, but vekes go do it, see. No, nothing. No, woman. We enter the oratory. Now for that side for village where the thing take place. Some girl na student, he there for university. He don't born the Pidgin, small Suarez dey 4 years. He don't be there house that day. Now for village where the thing happen for that side for Shell, for lycée bilingue for Bobongo. That me say na government bilingual school for that side, college for that side for Bobongo, secondary school. Neither really don't fall that day. After big mommy for Suarez, where they 4 years, finding no siam. Never the enter, start make alarm. They find Suarez. Since Monday, they find it. So then the next day, they want to see their body for Suarez. It is on top that water. When I know say for that side, river and then the pass of F, that pong no one on the water, yes. Now so they see their body for Suarez on top water. That way they go for move Suarez. They see I say in neck blood be dede, in nose blood be dede, in eye blood they be dede. Man no fit drown for water, instead for drink water they in belly high. In a blood day for in neck, blood day for eye, blood day for in nose. It means say something happen. Now who key Suarez? Because say that's all the different signs the way they see him for his skin. It no show say na drown with that Pidgin, it drown. Say drink water and so te it kwara. No. Est-ce que the girl, mami for Suarez, mami said, they get problem with the papa. Est-ce que no want to say me the papa for Suarez see the Pidgin? Est-ce que they get query? Est-ce que that man we born Pidgin with he get another woman we born Pidgin or never born Pidgin? Now the thing they can say no. Police again for look this matter seriously. That's a serious matter. The thing happen for that side for Petit Paris for around Marché. Now for Petit Paris the what happened so for lycée Bobongo. Now very bad news. Now who kill that Pidgin where they call say Suarez? Now the question we ask ourselves because for here we always tell una no say ibidi mikai how ibidi mikai we dey ask them they go. The man will be responsible for kill Suarez. Police them they get for put their hand for the man, they get for lucky or they know what to do. Life imprisonment. For that side for Côte d'Ivoire. Now wait see. They think for Côte d'Ivoire where that man will organize pollute that event where they give musician them prize. They call it Mola, former musician for that group Jet Set, Coupe de Calais group them. Mola, where he rename, una know him now, na Sumaero, Mori Ferry, na he name that, Mori de Mori. How will they call it Mori na he name Mori Ferry alias Mola. Mola be the drive moto, wara na alcohol, or na wait you, or na say moto get problem because Mrs. I don't get that kind of problem and they drive the go tire, bam, it cut come out. If you think that some man, na trouble that. Luck is saving a sharp monitor and no man will be the parts of that road for that time. And then I know be there for high speed. Mola, it didn't say be there for high speed. That high speed don't make the speed don't go reach or play, go reach. Bam, so my way they say chop, they say it's in the fruit of a corner road. Mola enter for all my skin. The woman name that Tola Elise, he get wound. Seriously. Mola Karina go hospital to make communication. Anything happen, now he go take care, he go do this, he go do this. Now that Elise don't go hospital, bad news happen. The injury the way Elise will get up, survivor. Elise go hospital, now so Elise die. As Elise die, a family court book for Mola. Yesterday, police announcer say they don't take Mola in the Fongata. They don't lock it Fongata. Say because it kill a woman, they lock it Fongata. Now people the talk say, the one way happen with Francis Gano when we drive that BB bike them. When Jamson get away come out nightclub, they get big serious injury. It take them go hospital to Mola. Time when I get that, what it happen? Where Cameroon government to police no arrest Francis Ngannou. Why you know be say they arrest Francis Ngannou? Because people they know Francis Ngannou own on the 20th of April for this year. Why they no arrest Francis Ngannou? How we Côte d'Ivoire the arrest Mola? Now plenty question that way people they ask her for understand how the matter for justice in the function. In the function for before, in the function for back, or the go na how Mano Sabi. Matter the way in the past, the matter them, that's some kind of matter the way man they know. What it happen where the woman, for people where they travel, where they go that side for Yaoundé for Tuesday, they know this story. They know this story. Yes. No, na Wednesday. They know the story for Wednesday. The thing happen for Wednesday. So woman, he move all his clothes. He move am. Bobby he leave am. Bobby na ma chop. Na some petit baby sing up. He dey for outside. He toto. He leave it toto for outside. With the bien bang. Expose am. Stand for before some camion. Cross. He cause traffic. Now for a day when the thing happen, he block road. I say one day when they want look up. Hey, now man, if I there, he can find skin there. He get man picking there. Oh no, bro. Yeah. People they instead of saying they find way for go down, take clothes, take rapper, hold up, tie out my day. They enjoy themselves. Anybody enjoy themselves. Where he can find face he can find Bobby he can find woman skin the way he clean the way he can find. Let me say the woman they take care for himself What I wait you na condition where they give you, man no. Sometimes we talk so in a condition where they give for the two go enter there for say he get money, or na deception where you get for power lolo l'amour. Love when I also need love matter. If you make people they play, if some man keep play with your heart, you woman. So woman they need to resist them. Man they take you hold they need together, bam, he abandon them. If it traumatize the woman, or sometimes don't lost some people, you don't lost in Pekin, they keep traumatizing. Or na say na sick where it start under his skin, man no know what it happen. So I say we so the follow that story for know exactly what it happen for that side for a day wara na true say na craze, na true say na love palava, na true say na what you we go so the follow the matter for now because we already understand wetin happen when a woman fit undress herself, come for public so they show a woman skin and a body. After dey for Cameroon now wey man no know say black call the loss. That thing be days before oh. We just run so say for limit. Some man don't salon me, man black call no loss. Some man don't salon me for your man black call no loss. Some man don't salon me for this time, man black call no loss. Black call loss her. So when they talk say I begin a big black horse. You know salon me, man black call don't turn a small black horse, the black horse was small pikin. What are not true? All the same people they just frame am up, all the same people they get psychological problem them. I love you talk up because witchcraft they exist black magic they exist. So if I talk say they don't right, say na wrong, that means say me say I don't verify them and I say na wrong. But for be honest, I never verify no nothing. I difficult for go tell man say you move your black cover, snap picture of your black cover before you snap picture of your black cover now. So now we'll see what happen. If that true say a black cover never ever be so before it can be so now. They beat some woman, kill her this week for Bapusa. They say that woman salute some man, the man black horse, he lost. They beat her, let's say that person beat her, papa, throw a stone, throw a funge for the woman, burn up for Bapusa. I don't know what police will hold the people the way they kill that woman. They kill some other man, so for Bapusa. When the man, he go weekend for Bapusa, he go back for go buy it there, for turn back. He salute some man, he turn a trouble. Say, you don't salute me, my black card loss. You don't salute me, my black card loss. What are that set up, when some people they set up other one them for regulate their code, how they talk about French, man no, because man they salute you, your black card loss. You remove trouser, you say your black card small, say the one way your black card be there, don't be small so. If you that way, it is so. That way till it happen. Except people they do they make black card for people they lost. They want to take the black card for go begin use her for fuck with them on a how. Now for do it, if you take my black horse, you make a loss. Now for do it, now for go put her for your man side ski, you will put your man side last maybe give fuck you, or you man pikin. Now for do it, for take a increase your own black horse for give fuck over 5. Malodo, the palava black horse in the loss, it don't pass my power.